your guide, and today we are going to discover birds from all over the world. So everyone, meet my friend Sharon.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Nice to see you. Well, I am a birder. That means I don't just look at birds. I look for birds. Well, I've traveled from Scotland to Zululand all the way to Antarctica just to see as many birds as I can in a single year.
Now Sharon here, he is very passionate and a little bit crazy.
Hey, who crazy?
You. okay, Sharon, so how many birds have you seen?
Okay, last year I seen about 1,000. But this year I want to break the record and see about 3,000 or even more.
Hashtag show off.
Hey,
That's right, yes. okay, so kidding aside, let us begin our journey to meet some smart, colorful, and truly incredible wing friends. First up, South America. Now we will take a drive to the port, then a boat ride on the Tambo Pata River. Now we might see the footprints of a jaguar or spot a red howler. Look around you. You are now in one of the most biodiverse parts of the Peruvian Amazon. Now everyone, welcome to the Chuchu Macaw Playlist, where hundreds of birds gather every day to live or play. Now this playlist is the largest of its kind in the world. Oh, look at that! Wow!
Well, that is Adric and Ferrari, and they are the Scarlet Macaws. Now, macaws happens to be members of the Parrot family. But macaws have very sharp gills that also enables them to chew on unripe fruits. But sometimes the toxins in these fruits are not good for the birds. So by eating clay, it neutralizes the toxins. Amazing, right, Lynn?
Yup. No upset tummies. Well, looks like Adrian and Ferrari are enjoying their salty feeds.
Yes, you are. Lynn, I want to see more birds up close.
Birds?
So don't stop moving. And let's head off to Southeast Asia. Let's go.
Now everyone, welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. Now this park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 alien species. Sharon, is that enough birds for you?
You think? No, of course not enough.
Always never enough birds. But it's okay. Speaking of more birds, we are going to be joined by friends of the park. And here they come! Hi! Hello there. Now with me here, this is Higgins, and Higgins is a green-winged macaw. Now green-winged macaws, they are one of the largest in the parrot family. And Higgins here is about 10 years old.
And introducing Katie. Katie here is a sulfur-crested cockatoo. Cockatoos can be found in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia. They got the name sulfur because of the yellow crest you can see on top of their head. Let's go.
Now parrots, they mate for life and many devoted parrots. Thank you, Sharon. So they take advantage of abandoned tree cavities or tree hollows just like this build their nest.
And look what I have here. These are ingredients they will put inside the nesting materials. Well, these birds will use twigs, branches, leaves, and even tree barks sometimes. Okay, now let's watch as these birds put some sticks or twigs into the nest hollows. Ready? Let's go.
You are wondering what's happening inside. Everyone, let's watch this. Oh, look at that. The thing is right there. How cute is that? Katie this time. Okay, look at Katie. Good job, Katie. Oh, look at that. One more glance inside. And there you go, carrying in Katie and Higgins as well as the wonderful big hand, everyone.
Yeah, that's my checklist of birds. Lynn, why do you sound like a chicken?
That's not me.
A chicken here in the park, a rooster. I'm confused. Oh, Lynn, that's the rooster.
No, Cheryl. That's your rooster.
Are you kidding me? These are Amazon parrots.
Okay, Quincy, you want to turn around? Show Cheryl how you do the rooster. Quincy, you just embarrassed me in front of everyone and Cheryl. I just told them you can do the rooster. Let's try this one more time, okay? How do you do the rooster? That's not his rooster, okay? Okay, I'm gonna guide Quincy a little bit, okay? Let's see if he does this, okay? How do you do the rooster? See, I told you, this is like glitch.
Yes, I should have known, right? Okay.
So everyone, this right here is Quincy and Amigo, and they are masters of mimicry. So before Quincy can mimic some sounds, Quincy, there's so many of them. Can you welcome them? Do you catch what he said? Okay, Quincy said, "Welcome to Parrot Paradise." Let's hear this one more time. Okay, so you heard Quincy mimic the rooster earlier. Quincy, how about the very fierce cat? Wow, very fierce cat indeed. Okay, one more sound. How about the telephone?
That is one talented bird, Okay, you see, parrots, they like to copy the sounds and the calls made by their parents or the family members out there in the wild. So by Quincy copying human sounds, they are just doing what other parrots do in the wild, right, Lynn?
Yep, so in our case, Quincy and Amigo's family are the Manda Stars.
Yeah, you are so right about that. And now let's see what our buddy here can do, okay? Hey, buddy, want to say hello? Hold on, I forgot to on the mic. Hold on, okay. We're gonna try this again. Buddy, want to say hello?
Hello.
He knows how to introduce himself. Hold on. Tell everybody here, what's your name?
Hello.
What's your name?
Hello.
Amigo is his name. Amigo, what do you want to say to all these nice people? Okay, Amigo likes to sing, and one of his favorite songs happens to be a birthday song. Anybody celebrating a birthday today? Hands up. One there. Let's see. One over there, the lady. One up there. Okay, for those of you celebrating a birthday today, and one up there, here's a song for you.
everyone. Quincy here is 1 in 10,000. Amigo, 1 in a million. What you usually get is a bird like Big John. That's very loud. So please do think twice. Actually, you know what? Think 100 times before getting yourself a pet parrot, okay? And with that, coming in Quincy and Amigo, our Amazon parrots, a big hand, everyone.
You see, ladies and gentlemen, every year, hundreds and thousands of these birds are being sold in the pet trade. Amazon parrots can live up to 50 years. It is a lifetime commitment. If you think they make great pets, well, guess what? They won't. Right? Okay, so what's next thing?
Yes, so Sharon, now did you know that the Wings of the World is proudly sponsored by Kellogg's?
What? Seriously? I do love Fruit Loops.
And this segment is brought to you by Fruit Loops. Now, in a very short while, we will be joined by a Togo toucan. So Togo toucans, they are one of the largest found in this region, okay? Let's see where the Togo toucan is. By the way, the name of the Togo toucan is Elmo. So let's just give her some time to come out. Oh, there he is! Hi! Okay, you wanna come here? Come on, Elmo, right here. Okay, so this right here is Elmo, our Togo toucan, and guess what? Elmo here is Kellogg's Fruit Loops ambassador. So Elmo is going to show off his amazing flying abilities by flying through that giant's Fruit Loop. Elmo, there? Here we go. How about now? Elmo, you were supposed to fly through the Fruit Loop. Let's try this one more time. Okay, we're gonna make it closer, easier. Right there. Come on.
You see, Togo toucans are very stable and very agile in their flights. They're also very strong as well. You give them strength and stability, okay? To fly through the gaps in the forest, like the gigantic Fruit Loop right over there. Ready?
Okay, Elmo, one more time. And there you go. Thank you very much, Elmo, for sponsoring Wings of the World.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to meet an iconic species here in Singapore. Now, who are we talking about? They are the Oriental Pied Hornbills. Here's one of them coming up in a very short while, okay? Yo, come on, wherever you are. And I think his name is Oris. Oris is coming up, right?
Yes, he is. So, while we are waiting for Oris, let me tell you a little backstory about him, okay? So, Oris, he fell out of the nest as a chick. Now, in the wild, Oris would have not survived, but here at Bird Paradise, he was nursed back to health and has a safe and permanent home with us. And there you go, we have Oris with Sabrina right there.
Okay, by the way, hornbills and toucans have two major differences. Toucans can only be found in the continent of South and Central America, while hornbills can be found in the continent of Africa and Asia. Hornbills are agile flyers, okay? That's the toucans as well. They have an additional portion of something called a casque right on top of their bill. It can be just a small ridge or it can be big and brightly colored, right?
Yep, so anything else we can spot?
Their feet. Hornbills have 3 toes in front and large or rather broad soles. Toucans have 2 toes in front and 2 toes at the back, but both are great hoppers. It gives them the strength and stability to jump up and down perches. Okay, watch this. Okay, so Lynn, what else other than that?
Okay, tongues. I remember this. Now, hornbills, they have a shorter tongue, but both birds use their tongues to toss food into their mouth, okay? So we are going to do this for Olivia first, so everyone check this out. Elmo, right here. Ready? Okay.
Oh, okay. Now let us try with orange right here. There you go. By the way, hornbills are agile flyers, just like toucans, and both of them can catch prey in mid-flight. We're gonna witness this. Okay, let's see how Elmo does this first. Ready, Elmo?
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Very good.
And for those of you who missed that on the camera, we're gonna see what Oris can do. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Geronimo! Good job there, Oris! Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, here's a very interesting fact about these oriental pied hornbills in Singapore. Did you know they have gone extinct in Singapore since 1960s? And they came back in the 1990s where we worked with other professionals to breed them and bring them up to life. Right now in Singapore there's more than a few hundreds, and you can see oriental pied hornbills in different parts of Singapore. But hornbills have peculiar nesting behavior in the wild. They like to nest in tree holes, like the tree hollow right over there. Now here in bird paradise, we show you the nesting behavior without you leaving your feet. From smaller species like the oriental pied hornbill, we're going to meet a much larger ones. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourself, because here comes Vicky, a great pied hornbill. Ready, Vicky? Let's go. Great pied hornbills happens to be one of the largest species of hornbills found in the Southeast Asian region. In one of the places they can be found, in Borneo, Indonesia, some tribesmen believe that if a hornbill flies over a certain area or over your village, which means you will be blessed with good luck. There she goes. Now, female hornbills are very fussy about her accommodation. It has got to be spacious and must have a chimney so that she can escape at any time. In she goes. What happens next is that male hornbills will bring her mud, and she'll mix that with mixed fruits as well as her own droppings just to create a strong seal. Speaking about her mate, ladies and gentlemen, here comes Sunny, another great pied hornbill.
The nest hole. Alright, Sunny, ready to feed Vicky? Let's. Now, if you cannot see this loving gesture, everyone, let's watch this. So this right here is Vicky. She is inspecting the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Okay, so look at that, in she goes. And right now we have Sunny feeding Vicky through that small gap in the nest hole. Now this unique nesting behavior is similar to all 62 different species of hornbills. And with that, can we give Vicky and Sunny our great pied hornbills?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hornbills all over Africa and Southeast Asia are facing a major threat. The critically endangered helmeted hornbills are being hunted to extinction because of the bright and hard task. It is known as the red ivory. What happened to the elephants are happening to these hornbills. That's why as a birder, I love being here at Mandai because Mandai supports major conservation efforts to protect these animals. And these animals are better off in the wild or in nature reserves, right here, where they get the best care possible.
And speaking of best care possible, hello everyone! My name is Yogi from Mandai Bird Paradise. Now my team and I, we work hard to make sure that our birds are active, engaged, as well as enriched. And very shortly we are about to introduce you to some beautiful corneas. Alright, are we ready? Alright, looks like we are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here comes our beautiful beautiful corneas! Now what we're holding on to is an enrichment device known as the monkey fist, which is rope tied into knots. Now inside this knot we have hidden a few treats for the birds to find. And this helps to promote their natural behavior known as foraging. Now these birds can also be found in South America. Once widespread, these birds are now endangered. Over 800,000 of these birds are being sold in the pet trade every single year. However, these birds, they are sociable birds, which means they are happiest in flocks. So don't think about all this before getting yourself a pet corneas. So with that, let's give our corneas a beautiful big hand. Thank you very much, Shopee, for giving us some insights about enrichment for our resident corneas.
Yep, that was truly educational, right? You see, ladies and gentlemen, birds, they are everywhere. They are social, yet they are solitary. They're loving, but fiercely protective of their young. They're smart, they're agile. They're one of the strongest creatures on this planet. That's the reason why, as a birder, I love traveling from continent to continent just to discover these birds. But you know what, Lynn? It will be a dream come true if we have the world's species of birds right here on this stage right now.
You know what, Sharon? I think your wish is about to